recommendation that I'm going to explain is to charge your Streetster. They're coming with a 10 amp fast charger, and that is almost triple what Emo puts out. Slower does tend to be better and safer for the battery. And so Darren made a very good point. So this is our recommendation for your Streetster, is instead of charging it through the charging port on the outside of the bike, those wire gauge I think are 10 or 12, so they're smaller. But then you've got a faster charger, so you've got more draw coming through. And Darren just feels better if the Streetsters were charged directly to the battery itself, which is no big deal. Because you've got the charger on the outside of the bike, but you've got your charging there. So we recommend that when you charge, nothing's gonna go bad, but the wires heat up, right? They heat up when they've got that much current going through. So just for our advice, like we do, if you can charge it direct to the battery for your Streetster, I think it'll be better in the long run. And it's awesome that they're doing the fast chargers, because that's going to cut down your time by a third. So this is a 50 amp hour, and Emo would charge up in 12 hours. You're going to charge up between 10 and 9 hours if you're like right down to the bottom. So that's cool. That's it for now.